Okay, great. Oh, and the other one. Oh, yeah. That's it. That's what I live for. It's me, Felicia Lee, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a busy day. I'm super excited about it. Right now, I am just working on straightening out this hair because I just like washed it last night and then went straight to sleep. So I woke up with mad bedhead, and it's not the cute bedhead. It was the like sticking up straight bedhead. So I'm trying to maintain this mess. But then I am going to film my first scenes for Mount Hideaway series, which is a series that will be releasing on Amazon Prime. So yeah, it's gonna be a cool and fun day. These bangs are really filmed our first scene. Oh, we're in the Wayside Inn. It's a historic place. I knew nothing about it until he was giving that spiel. George Washington and Tom Cruise.
Did Tom Cruise really stay here?
I'm not lying. What do you think I'm lying?
There's a fireplace, which is really nice because it's freezing outside. Yeah, we're having the same thoughts. It was hailing earlier when I was walking in.
Learning.
Going over lines by the fire. Oh yeah. Desk, television, coffee maker, water, mirror, bathroom. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, I get my own bathroom. I'm so excited. So excited. And then there's a sketchy little door, but I think it's a closet. Safe, ironing board, hangers, the huge. But cool, very nice. I'm so happy. I look so ridiculous. I'm sitting here, I'm watching Ice Princess, and I'm crying. I'm crying. But like, who cares? I'm alone. I am just sitting down to do some editing, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I uploaded my vlog and now I'm taking a shower. I'm not allowed to wash my hair because they already did that today and they want it to be like clean and bedhead for tomorrow. Another light. Oh, hi. How are you guys? Good to see you. Good to see me. Good to be seen. Okay guys, so I am out of the shower and I just like gently dabbed my face with the towel, and I'm using this Andalou Naturals face mask for instant lift and firm. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my mask to dry, I am going to help myself to a little dinner. I always bring these whenever, oh, I put face mask on my neck. I always bring these whenever I travel, and they're super easy and really delicious. They're Dr. McDougall's vegan like ramen, spring onion noodle soup, like he has a bunch of different flavors and stuff. So I literally just use like the hot water from the coffee maker and it works like a charm. It's super delicious and they are just like the best. Highly, highly recommend for a traveling meal or snack. And then I'm also having some sparkling lemon water in my fancy hotel glass. And I'm watching 500 Days of Summer. Okay, so after my face is fresh and somewhat dry, I put on rosehip oil, which literally has been a skin game changer for me. Like I can't even tell you, like scars and redness and stuff have like really gone down, and when I use it consistently it like really helps with moisture and dry skin and all that. So highly recommend if you have dry skin. And makeup artists always used to complain about like my skin being flaky, especially in the winter, and I tried everything I could, like no moisturizer ever felt like it was enough, but putting oil on has really helped me, so highly recommend. So once that has sort of absorbed a little bit, I put moisturizer on my face, and right now I am almost done with using this everyday coconut face cream from Alfia. They're fair trade and all natural and all that kind of great stuff, vegan, no animal testing, domestic packaging, well, you know, trying to be good to the world. So I always look for that in the products that I buy. And then by the same brand, I have the eye cream that I just apply, you know, here and there, because, you know, it's never too early to start preventative eye wrinkles. That is my skincare routine. I'm still kind of hungry and 500 Days of Summer isn't over yet, so I'm gonna have some of these Earth Balance vegan cheddar squares. They don't taste like Cheez-Its, but they taste good. Like I still really like them, and I don't know, I think they're like more addictive than Cheez-Its. Like I like them better. So yeah, I'm just gonna snack on some of these and go to sleep because my call time is 6:30 a.m. So I'm probably gonna try to pack up a little bit tonight and do the best I can tonight so I don't have to get up as early tomorrow. But this play suit I wanted to say is from Aerie, which is a brand that I really like because they don't do any retouching, and yeah, so I dig it. It's really comfortable, and I'll probably just like wear it downstairs tomorrow because when you're doing like hair styles, modeling hairstyles, and makeup too, I don't know, just advice, tip for models. Wear stuff that like buttons or doesn't come over your head, so that your hair and makeup don't get messed up. Tip. I will see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. I am starting my day with Andalou Naturals Blossom and Leaf Toning Refresher. Feels nice just to wake up a little bit. It's so dark, sorry, but I'm all packed up and ready to go downstairs. Bye, hotel room. Thank you.